I am Zack, the rhythmic guitarist for Sons of War, and
I am Gavin, the drummer of Sons of War. Alright. Earlier today, we started figuring out some bass riffs for our first song and some drum beats. So, eventually, when we finish the song, we'll record it, we'll upload it to YouTube, Reverb Nation, our website, our Facebook account, so on and so forth. Go to Sons of War, sons-of-war.webs.com for our website. And since school's coming up soon, we won't be able to do as many vlogs as we have been doing the last few days, couple of weeks, whatever. So, but earlier today, we did meet with our backup singer, our bassist, and we all got some of this sorted out. There are still some issues with but just my drumming. So when we get it done, we'll get it done, we'll upload it, and till then, enjoy our comedy routine for our vlogs.
this is Sons of War signing out with our devil horns.